Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we're out here with another lovely prize. This is a 1976 Honda CB750 K6. As you can see, it's in this lovely candy blue colour scheme. If you fancy a go on this one will be drawn on the 23rd of March at 9 PM, which is a Sunday, and the tickets are £2.99, so it's a lot of bike for £2.99. What we're going to do now, just show you the bike and we'll start her up. You can see what you think. So yeah, it's been subject to a light restoration. It's got these really nice 4x4 silencers, which we really like. They're so much nicer than the later models where they start going into 4x1. You can't really beat the style of these early K models, hence why we like to offer them to you as prizes. This one's been subject to a light restoration. So you can see, like I said, it's got this really nice candy blue colour scheme. This is what I like about these early Hondas as well. They've got these really poppy candy colours. The later models started getting really subdued. So we really like these. Okay, starting, you have a key over here, which is on the left hand side, just tucked under the tank here. That needs to be on. Choke here, which needs to be up. And on the right hand side we have our fuel tap. Got reserve, on and stop. So we'll put it on reserve. And these are quite simple. You've got a nice electric start button on there and you've got a kickstart there. So whatever you fancy doing, you can do it. I fancy pressing the button. Now we have warmed it up a bit because we've done some other videos, but starts really easily. It doesn't take long before you take it off the choke. Nice smooth Honda engine. Yeah, no dramas really with these Hondas, they're great. But like I said, if you fancy a ticket, go to the website, it's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, £2.99. It's 23rd of March, and thank you for supporting us. And you do buy a ticket, good luck. And you just turn off here. Easy peasy.